Well, this video will find you when you're ready to grow. As a kid, they always said, you want your corn to be at least knee-high by the 4th of July. Well, happy 4th of July. It's a little over knee-high. I think we have a shot at making a pretty good harvest. Today's a perfect day to talk about this. 4th of July, our Independence Day. The day we celebrate for making a big change in America. This is not going to be your typical garden segment. I had a viewer write in and say these lessons are not only gardening lessons, but they're life lessons. I think about the courage that it took to change America the way that we're celebrating today. Almost the same kind of courage you need when you do a big project like the garden or any other big change in your life. Now, you know, courage doesn't mean you're not afraid. It means you're going to go forward despite that fear. Now, you can always make a small change by just changing the way you do things, or you can make a big change by changing the way you see things. And if you're tired of doing the same thing over and over again, just because that's the way we've always done it, and getting the same results, then you're living in the past. And what did Einstein say about that? Doing the same thing over and over again and getting the same results? It's the definition of madness. And this really does come down to the same thing, whether you're trying to pay off debt, whether you want a better relationship, whether you want a better job, or you just want to change what you're growing in your garden. And big change is scary. And showing the world your big change, that's scary also. But I thought folks might be interested, and if you're ready to grow, making change, you can do this too. And whatever your reasons are, those are yours. When you find your why, then you just have to change your habits. And your habits are just how you do things. And if you put a mindset of getting a little better every day, just 1% better, won't be very long, and you will have made a big change. Despite any of the fears. And unlike the people that changed this nation, this struggle won't be near as tough. This is an internal struggle. Make your own change for your own reasons. Come up with a why. Let the future state, how you see the future, dictate what you're doing right now. It's always good to look at the past as a comparison, but if you live in the past and try to gauge tomorrow based on the past, you're going to limit yourself. Look at how you want it to be and take those actions that will get you there. In our case, in a garden, making improvements a little bit at a time. Start small. And my why was I didn't want to weed anymore. So we came in, we found out that deep mulch suppresses most weeds. But what we also found out is it improves the soil by encouraging that life. And that life is what breaks down what's naturally in the soil, all the minerals that your plants need. And by doing that, we fed all of our plants. And no, it doesn't happen overnight, but you do it a little at a time. Then you can come out here on a day we celebrate change, we celebrate our freedom, and you can trellis your tomatoes. Steps I've taken on this journey change the way I see things. Now, these principles apply no matter what you're doing in life. Whether you're looking for a new job, whether you're looking for a new house, whether you're looking for a new relationship, you want to get out of debt, you want to get fit. And the first step is, what is your why? And how do you see that in the future? However you see that in the future will dictate what you're doing in the present. It'll also help you become a person of integrity. You know, doing the right thing when nobody's watching. Whatever the habits are you put in place so that you can obtain that future state, your integrity is going to carry you through. And there's always going to be a little bit of fear, but if you've got the courage to step up despite that fear, you can make big changes. Don't just change the way you see things, change the way you do things. That's my happy 4th of July message to you. You can change the world. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. And did anybody ever say you can't have enough beets? That's a pretty good beat. Think we're going to add it to our 4th of July barbecue. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.